Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Hardik Vyas. You are watching Vyas Vlogs.
HSP vlog.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Harshvardhan. You are watching HSP Vlogs, and today with me I have two of my friends with one special car behind me. Hardik is over here and Harish is over here. My first ride was with these guys itself, so if you haven't watched that video, iCard is for you guys. Go watch that video and come back. Here we have the Aston Martin today, the Vantage N420, and this is the limited edition ones. And me and my friends are here busy with the car, checking it out completely. Yo. So as you guys can see, this is the front of the car, and if you look at this one particular angle, it looks like the DB11, which my friend actually got confused for once as well. Not these two, but then my other friend was confused with the looks of the car. I'm pretty sure he's already watching it, but still. And it is a 2007, 2008 model or 2009, probably a decade old car, that much I can say. And it's all restored. We have done a ceramic coating on the car and it looks brand new already. And the headlights are pretty old school, but with the later technologies, I can see the LED projector headlamps, and there are few diamond types or headlamps. So you can say LED 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there, and yes, they are functional. And if I'm not wrong, this is the headlamp cleaner. It comes out and cleans up the headlamps. If I'm not wrong, this is the typical Aston Martin logo. Yep, that is there. The front looks pretty decent, and trust me, anyone would like to see it the first time they are looking at a car, and they would be shocked, just like this.
Oh my god, this is nice, beautiful. Got this man.
I didn't ask them to act, they're doing it by
This
themselves.
was actually really.
I didn't ask them to act, they're doing it all by themselves.
Support HSP rule. What's the wrong in you?
मेरे एक्टिंग के पैसे पेटीएम करना
50 रुपए इसका काट देना.
So straight up looking at the alloys, I like the way the alloys are, the design, that is pretty nice. It has got the Aston Martin branding or the badging on the calipers over there, and yes, it's got over here on the center dial. The airpin cap actually looks so nice over here. It's got a texture, it's pretty nice to touch it, and it's got a bridged it's got a Bridgestone tires on. These are 19 inches tires. It's mentioned over here, and carbon fiber parts. It's got a carbon fiber part over here, and make weight reduction. And the design is pretty simple and plain. The best what you can expect it from the older gens. And coming back here, you have the Vantage badging. Here you have the Aston Martin symbol. This pretty small button is actually for opening the boot, and trust me, for a supercar, this boot is actually huge. Trust me, it's actually huge. A rare diffuser and sensors again, all the way over there. Sensors, and then this is a diffuser. It's all decent. It's got the petrol cap on the left side, pretty nice. And inside the hood we have a 4.7 liter V8 engine. Hood खोल लेके, I'm not finding the place where we open the hood actually. Let me just open the try seeing. So this was the Aston Martin Vantage N420, and out of which this is the 178th out of 480. And it's a V8, as you can see, as I mentioned, it is written 4.7 liters V8. It churns out somewhere around like 420 horsepower itself. And trust me, the V8 sound is actually good. Listen to the exhaust note and get back. So let's hear to the exhaust of the car now. So let's get into the interiors right now. The door handle is pretty nice, and trust me, the modern day Lamborghinis have it this way. This was having it back then in 2007 itself. You press it like that and it opens over there. Pull it like that. That's a noise which makes, so just ignore that. Not for the door, but yes, it does. I am seated inside the driver's seat right now. It's pretty much down and low inside. So if you're sitting, it'll take. If you're a huge person, it will take a lot of efforts because it's too low, and I don't really think there's a lot of leg room. But apart from that, it's really nice. You don't get any view from here. This is my height of the eyes right now, and from here I can't even see the bonnet properly. But sitting inside this car gives a premium, or it gives a different vibe itself. So yes, and here if you see, this is the speedometer. This is in miles, so just ignore that part. The speedometer looks pretty much super awesome. It's there in dual stuff. You have the miles over here, you have the kilometers over here. The inner radius is for the kilometers, the outer is for miles. And this is the RPM meter. I don't know how much does it rev up to. This is the engine temperature, and here is the fuel meter. It shows 0 because it's off right now, and that's how it was in the olden cars. Here you have a clock, pretty much awesome. Here are the knobs, buttons to control for the infotainment system. This infotainment system is pretty small. I don't know if you can see anything on that, but yes, the AC vents are over here, pretty normal. The drive modes or the choosing of the gears is over here. Usually you get it all in the cars over here, but in this car they have given it over here. You have the neutral, drive, reverse, and that is for comfort or the sports mode. I don't know if there's sports mode on that, but here you have a traction off on the back if you want to carry your stuff. And the boot is actually big for any supercar, as I told earlier as well. And here you have a small place where you can keep your small stuffs over here, and there's a 12-volt charging socket. Yes, there's a 12-volt charging socket, and this is just one box. I don't know, this belongs to the customer. There's a strap over here. You can probably tag up your notes or important stuffs. And for the seats, you have 3 modes. You can set it up in 1, 2, 3. 3 modes as in saving up 3 sides of the seat, and this is for the front and back to move the seat. This is for the inclination. You have the pretty decent steering wheel as well, and you have switches to pick up the call volume up and down and the call. And here you can see it's over on this side as well. And then there are paddle shifters because it's again a sports car, so it's mandatory to have it. And here is the knob for the headlamps. Pretty decent door handlebar. I'm not going to close it because I don't want to sit inside the car completely. If you see, my legs are outside itself. This is for the mirrors, side mirrors, and for the windows up and down. And trust me, this door handle is pretty nice to hold. I love the way how it is. Just keep your hand, and it's like a complete hold thing to your hand, unlike other cars wherein it's not really that much nice. And I actually thought the steering wheel was made for Alcantara, and that's it. There's no there's no rear door or rear seat, so I'm not going to the back of the car. And yes, pretty much decent car it is. I love the way how this sounds. Trust me, I really love it. I wish I could open the boot. Well, let me try to open the boot. Oh yeah, one main crazy thing about this car is it's got a handbrake like this. Yes, you have got a proper handbrake, and I love that. This small button over here is for the boot. Yeah. So that's how huge the boot is for you guys. You get it in 2 steps over here. This is pretty nice. Trust me, it's so damn nice. So this boot comes in 2 steps kind of thing. One like this low and one over there. And this thing comes inside. And if you guys can see over there, I don't know if my camera can show it clearly enough, but then the rear of the seats are made of carbon fiber designs. Yes, it actually has a carbon fiber design, and this one has a tag over here which it usually falls down or no. And yes, this is how the car looks from the rear if you keep the dicky open. Yes, and the default or the you can say authentic Aston Martin tail lamps. It's pretty nice. I love this car so much. One thing I didn't like is the indicators. The indicator dial looks pretty normal, or say it's not up to the mark, or it's kind of reducing the essence or the or the value of the car. I feel like it's removing it, so that one thing which I didn't really like. So apart from that, this car is really awesome. One more crazy part of the car is the key itself. I like the way how this thing is over here. It's glass and then inside it is printed Aston Martin. So yes, one more crazy stuff of this car is the doors are semi butterfly, you can say. They don't open fully upwards like this, or they don't open fully outwards like that. So it's like in between, if you guys can see it right now. It opens midway, and that's pretty nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video about the Aston Martin Vantage N420, and I had a really good time with my friends over here. They are leaving right now because this is shot way before the video is completed. They're actually leaving just because I was going to end the video over here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button. वे बोल के जाए like button दबाने के लिए. हाँ, hit the like button.
Yeah, like button.
Hit the like button.
Engagement. I don't care. Hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and
Promote
share.
it on your story too.
Yeah, promote it on
Promote
your.
it on your story too.
And if
Promote
you
it on your story too.
Promote.
and
And subscribe.
To
HSP Vlog.
Virus Vlogs. Virus Vlogs.
And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. And subscribe to the channel if you're new here. This is Harshvardhan signing off. See you all in another such video. Until then, take care.